Hello students, how are y'all? I believe y'all are fit and fine and y'all are very busy solving the worksheets and watching the videos nowadays, isn't it? Yes. So again I am here with the fourth video in which I shall be concluding chapter 2, which is computer system. In this video I shall be discussing about the hardware and the software portion of the computer. In the hardware I shall be discussing about the input devices, output devices, storing devices, and the processing devices. And in the software section, I shall be discussing about the system software and the application software. At the end, I shall be discussing about some limitations of the computer also. So, without further delay, let's get started. Let us first know what our computer system comprises with. A computer has many parts that we can actually see and touch. It has a monitor, a mouse, a keyboard, and a case that contains the other important parts, which is the CPU. The physical components are called hardware. Instructions which are given to the hardware are called softwares or programs. These hardware and software make together a computer system. The picture beside will guide you to understand about the computer system. For your reference, I have given the picture of few hardware components and some softwares. Let us now know about the hardware and the software in details. First, let us know the importance of hardware and software with an example. Hardware and software are interdependent. Without software, a computer cannot work, and without hardware, no softwares can run. If the hardware is not there, then the software is of no use. This can be understood with the help of an example given below. A computer system plays songs which is stored in a CD or DVD. Here, the computer, CD, DVD and the speakers are all hardware devices, while the songs are the softwares. Let us now know what is hardware. Computer hardware is the collection of physical parts of a computer system. This includes the monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer and CPU. It also includes all the parts inside the case of the computer, such as hard disk drive, the motherboard, CD drive, SMPS, RAM and microprocessor. Computer hardware is what you can physically touch. So let us revise these points once more. The term hardware refers to mechanical device that makes up our computer. Computer hardware consists of interconnected electronic devices that we can use to control computer's operation, input and output. Examples of hardware can be CPU, keyboard, mouse, hard disk, etc. Computer hardware, again we can say, is a collection of several components working together. Some parts are essential and some parts are added advantages to the computer. I think you all know what are input devices. These are devices that are used to enter data or instruction into the computer. For your reference, I have given the picture of few input devices such as keyboard, graphic pad, webcam, joystick, the scanner, mouse, trackball, digital camera, microphone, etc. The processing device of the computer is the CPU, which is the central processing unit. It is used to process the input. A storage device is used to store input and output for later use. See, students, here are the picture of few computer storage or memory devices. They are the hard disk, the RAM, the ROM, the CD or DVD, the floppy disk, the memory card, pen drive, and a tape. Finally, we have our output devices. The output device gives us the result after any data is processed. You can also see the picture of various output devices such as the printers, the monitors, the speakers, etc. So let us now understand what is a software. Software means computer instructions or data that tells the computer how to perform a specific task. Software is also referred to as a program. Software does the processing work for the computer. It receives the input from the user and turns it into the processing and output accordingly. There are different types of softwares used for different types of work. Softwares are mainly of two types, the system software and the application software. Do you know what is system software? A system software is a type of computer program that is designed to run a computer's hardware and application program. Without the system software, a computer cannot operate as a single unit. Windows, Ubuntu, and Mac OS are a few examples of system software. Let's know now what is an application software. An application software is a set of computer programs designed to permit the user to perform a group of coordinated functions, tasks, or activities. It helps the user as a tool for easy operation on a particular type of task. Examples of application software are MS Word, MS Paint, MS PowerPoint, Windows Media Player, etc. Let us now know about the application softwares that we use frequently. A paint software is such a software which we use frequently. Paint software is used for drawing and coloring pictures. Microsoft Paint, also called MS Paint or simply Paint, is a computer program made by the Microsoft company. It allows people to create picture files as well as edit picture files saved on their computer. Microsoft Paint is also a program for adding text to images saved on the computer. There are various tools to help people edit photos, including the paint bucket, the pencil tool, the spray can, eraser, line and curved line tools, multiple shape tools, text tools, and cutout tool. The program has a color palette displayed on the bottom left of the screen. Many digital artists or editors prefer programs like Photoshop, but many on a tighter budget or with less time on their hands use this paint software. Now let us know about Adobe Photoshop software. Adobe Photoshop is used for creating and editing pictures. Adobe Photoshop is a software application for image editing and photo retouching for use on Windows or Mac OS computers. Photoshop offers users the ability to create, enhance, or otherwise edit images, artwork, and illustrations. Now let us know about a very popular application software, which is the MS Word software. MS Word is a word processing software used for writing and editing text. Microsoft Word or MS Word, which is also often called just Word, is a graphical word processing program that users can type with. It is made by computer company Microsoft. Its purpose is to allow users to type and save documents. The features of MS Word includes spelling and grammar checker, word count, speech recognition, insert pictures in documents, web pages, graphs, etc. Tables display synonyms of words and can read out the text. MS Word is a part of Microsoft Office. This is the screenshot of a Windows Media Player software. Windows Media Player is a software used for watching movies. Windows Media Player, which is also called as WMP, is a media library application developed by Microsoft that is used for playing audio, video, and viewing images on personal computers running on the Microsoft Windows operating system. You know something, students? In spite of being such an advantageous device, a computer has some limitations also. Let us now know some of the limitations of a computer. Computers are machines. They have to be given instructions for each and every step of operations. Unlike humans, they cannot think on their own or take decisions. If they receive wrong instruction, they will give wrong output. This is what we called as garbage in, garbage out. Unlike humans, computers are not creative. They simply just follow our instructions. So now here we come to an end of today's video tutorial. I hope you have liked it and understood all the points that I've discussed in this video about the different hardware devices. That includes the input, output, processing and the storage devices. About the softwares, that includes the application and the system software. About the importance of the softwares and hardwares in the computer system, and that software and hardware are interdependent of each other. So it's your turn now to solve the worksheets and stay fit, keep healthy and wait for my upcoming video. Until then, bye bye.